go straight into your Billions app, and if you've not downloaded it already, go to your app store and just search Billions over there. Once you search Billions, you're going to see the Billions app on your app store. Download it if you've not downloaded it already. It's also available on Google Play and everywhere, also on the Apple Store. As you guys can see, ZKID Labs AG. Download it. If you've downloaded it already, then you open. Once you open, you can see this home screen here. For people that have not logged in yet, you still need to log in using your Gmail or wallet or anything at all. But I've logged in already, so all you need to just do is click verify. Once you come into verify, you can see over here, there is a space for you to redeem your promo code. Now, all you want to do is type Sentient X Billions. 1 second. Sentient X Billions, and then you click apply. And as you guys can see, I just earned 400 power for completing the tasks. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Okukidiri, and today we're going to talk about the latest partnership between the Billions Network and Sentient AGI. Now, Sentient has just partnered with Billions Network, which is a very huge partnership in the Web3 ecosystem. We already know about the Billions Network, and if you're still fading Billions Network, make sure you get right in right away. It's just starting, huge updates are coming up, and you do not want to miss any of these things. Now, we still know, once again, Billions Network is the platform for verification of AI and humans alike, and of course, Sentient is an AI, open AI. But this one is now different because apparently it will be built on chain and it will also be decentralized, which is very important. Now, the most important thing about this partnership between the Billions Network and Sentient is just that they are both open source, security and full trust to these platforms. First of all, Billions works with a zero knowledge proof, which means that they do not store your identity. Even Billions doesn't have your identity. But at the end of the day, they use a technology which is called ZK, which is zero knowledge proofs, to be able to prove and verify you to any platform that you would need verification for. And of course, now we're talking about Sentient as well, which is an open AI model that at the end of the day, it's an open source. So at the end of the day, you and I can actually interact with all of the tools on the Sentient platform and be also able to build our own AI agents. Now, this is not just sophisticated, it is also very decentralized, secure to the core, and also proves and improves ethics in the whole Web3 space. Now, this is very important. I mean, you guys need to look into it. If we want to compare it with the open AI firms that we know already, like ChatGPT and the rest, these are not decentralized AI platforms. They are mostly centralized. So there's a possibility of data still getting into the wrong hands or data being exploited. There is a possibility. But now the Sentient AGI is going to be on chain, decentralized, and it will basically you and I that will be in control of the data out there. So it's going to be very insane. Billions Network partnering with Sentient, which is a top AI model out there. And Billions Network has started showing us its use cases. Now, for example, this is the first use case, currently coming together with an AI platform. Now, as you guys know already, out there's loads and loads of AI platforms out there. I mean, we are now in the era of AI. Networks have to interact with AI. We have to interact with AI. Trading, Web3 has to interact with AI. And Billions Network is just there to help us with the verification of both humans and AI alike. But anyways, guys, I think that is basically what I just wanted to share with you guys. Do not forget to use the code. If you've not downloaded the app, download it right away. If you've not even joined that, make sure you join right away. There is no time anymore. But thank you so much, guys, for watching. Have a wonderful day and see you in the next one. Peace.